Today Oppo Reno 4 Pro unboxing and review. Reno new 5G phone, all side branding. Okay, don't waste your time, open the box. Inside the box, front side mini box, more box inside, mobile phone as well as same phone covered on plastic sheet, in hand, feeling not bad. I like this phone color. Okay, later look, phone side by side, more some paperworks and free case, an Apple style headphone, lasts 65 watts, fast charger and Type-C cable. Okay, first remove plastic sheet and look phone. Wow, see guys, I like this white color, not very shine back but handling feeling good. Phone back matte finish, I love matte finish. Phone back looking same iPhone and OnePlus style, not bad. Oppo, once again I'm show you guys. Do you like this back or not? Comment now, I'm love it. First look phone display come with 6.5 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus panel and support 90 Hz refresh rate. Display curved finishing, so looking much more like display. Top left side tiny punch hole here inside, front facing camera. Phone weight 172 grams. It's not high, also handling not bad. I did feel weight. Look display settings. You want use 90 Hz or 60 Hz or auto. First looking 90 Hz. It's not bad now the day, 90 Hz much better. No need 120 Hz. Display vice, AMOLED, so watch any movie or gaming. Color quality is good to view, so display vice 90 Hz and AMOLED plus HDR10 panel is good. Phone running on Android 10 based on Color OS 7. This processor come with Snapdragon 765G. It's mid-range 5G processor. Now the day this processor run all game and apps not bad, quite good. Also this phone not bad, running good. Later I'm post gaming. Battery, Reno 4 Pro come with 4000 mAh battery with 65 watts fast charging adapter. Also Oppo give box inside, so charging total time 0% to 200% just 35 minutes. So battery vice also quite good. Finally look camera, most of person waiting camera. Main camera 48MP Sony IMX586 and 12MP wide and 13MP telephone lens here. How is it work camera? You have any idea guys? No to watch? I'm show camera and video samples. Keep watching.